It's a different feeling seeing Mount Apo from afar than standing on top of it. Hi, I'm Karina, and join me as I conquer my first major hike, Mount Apo. For our day one, we arrived in Kapatagan, Digos City at 6:30 a.m. We just took a quick breakfast at a local karinderya and para na rin to buy for our pack lunch since it's a luncheon trail. It's just so amazing kasi dito palang tanaw mo na si Mount Apo at ramdam mo na ang lamig ng panahon dito. After our breakfast, we went straight to our drop-off point. This is a via Santa Cruz back trail hike. We immediately started our hike going to Sitio Kulat. It was just a 20 minutes hike, but this part is the most brutal hike I've ever experienced.
Mukat na ko. Padong pag-jump ko.
Dito rin sa Sitio Kulan, titimbangin yung bag if gusto mong magpa-porter. The minimum is 1,500 for 15 kilos and 70 pesos for excess kilo. And after that, we had a quick orientation.
Isa ra ka water source itong Bagian. So ay duha. Isa ug katong kinalasan nga balay dito sa babaw.
I decided na magpa-porter na lang ko kaya dili gid kaya bilgosad ko. I decided magpa-porter na lang. And set aside my pride. I got this.
Going to the campsite, we passed through Basakan E-Camp, Bugaanan where we took our lunch, and Big Rock E-Camp. With my pacing, it took me 5 hours to reach campsite.
Yes, ako sila if sakto ra ba mong facing or na sila kay kuan daw. Enough ra daw mong facing kay supposedly ang among estimated time of arrival sa campsite is 3 p.m. and now is 1 kapin pa lang, almost 2 pa. Which is good kay pasabot na taas mong pahulay.
But in those 5 hours, hindi ko indang pagod ng panahon na yun. Kasi I was enjoying the trail and the nature surrounding me. Para siyang welcoming greetings ni Mount Apo for me.
Grabe ka nice, Diri. Feels like heaven. Wow. Sabi na, wala akong kakapoy. Diri na kamakaingon ha. Worth it.
Sabayan pa ng mga tao na kahit hindi mo pa sila kilala, ay sobrang gaan at saya na nila kasama. Along the way, we saw a porter whose knees are shaking due to the heavy load he was carrying, so we offered him something to ease it. Kaya a big salute and huge respect talaga to all porters out there kasi hindi madali ang trabaho nila.
Pila po nakakilo kuya? 35 kilos.
Most of the trail are assaults with few patags. That's why I always took a quick rest to preserve my strength so I could survive the rest of the hike. Di bali ng palagi nahuhuli. Basta ang importante, I will finish the hike and enjoy the experience.
May joyride eh.
Mag-drive.
Meron ding mga daan na sobrang maputik, kaya importante talagang maging maingat sa hapakan mo. Huwag ka ring matakot if ever you will get lost kasi may mga trail marks naman sila. Just follow those orange ribbons. When we reached our campsite, we immediately set up our tent, took a quick rest with a cup of coffee while waiting for our dinner, and after that, lights off na kami by 8 p.m. so we could have enough rest for the summit push the next day. Day 2, Summit Push, ang pinakahihintay naming lahat, and we are only few hours away to the summit. Our call time started as early as 1 a.m. kasi by 2 a.m. we should start our hike so we could catch a sunrise at the boulders. Totoo ngang sabi nila that the boulders is one of the highlights of this hike. Sobrang hirap niya tahakin kasi maling apak mo lang ay magiging alaala ka talaga. But at that time, all I felt was happiness and excitement. Our organizers packed our breakfast and lunch for us so we can eat it while on trail. Grabe, kahit sobrang lamig ng kanin at ulam ko, it was the best breakfast I've ever had. Nothing beats having your breakfast at Mount Apo Boulders while watching the sunrise. 5:24 and now we're here sa Boulders. We'll be eating our breakfast tatod. How nice. After having our breakfast, we continue with our hike towards the summit. Medyo madali na tahakin ang boulders this time kasi sumikat na ang araw at kita mo na lahat. Sobrang lamig din dito, kaya ako, I wore 3 layers of heat tech, 2 layers of socks, gloves, and bonnet. Ganun siya kalamig.
We're still here at the boulders on our way to White Sand. So I'm currently here and ano pa na malatasan. So from here sa Regit na may subida na po din palikod mo na ang White Sand. And that's not it. Mag-summit pa mi. And we need to summit 3 peaks.
Before reaching to the top, we faced the 87 degrees wall climb. Sobrang hingal malala, but our eagerness became our strength.
7 degree is kana all the way up there. So that's the
After the wall climb, ito ang bubungad sa'yo. The Mount Apo crater. And yes, you heard it right. Mount Apo is an active volcano. Mount Apo has 3 peaks, the Mother Peak, Kidapawan Peak, and Digos Peak.
Digos Peak, asa ang Mother Peak? Dario Kidapawan.
Optional naman yung 3 peaks. You can just summit only one, but iba din yung feeling if nakapag 3 peaks ka. Hindi din madali sungkitin yung 3 peaks kasi mag-aakyat baba ka to reach them. Hindi kasi siya one way lang. We are so blessed to have a nice weather during day 1 until makapag-summit kami. But when we reached Digos Peak, doon na nagsimulang umulan at balutin ng makapal na fog si Mount Apo, making it hard for us bumalik sa campsite kasi zero visibility na siya, samahan pa ng malakas na ulan. Going back to the campsite, we also saw many vents na nagre-release ng mga sulfur. Akala ko fogs lang siya, yun pala mga sulfur na. 4 p.m. na nang makabalik kami sa campsite at kami ang huling nakabalik, making our day 2 a total duration of 12 hours. After the summit push, we took a quick nap and had our last dinner here at the campsite. For our last day, we woke up by 8 a.m., break camp, packed our bags, and had the best breakfast. Iba talaga si night hike outdoors, hindi ka titipirin sa pagkain. Uuwi kang busog.
Hi guys! Today marks the end of our Mount Apo trip and we're on our way to the jump off. And karon ang panaog mas dali na siya. Pwede na siya subida. And ako na nag-carry sa akong bag kaya naman ako. Hi! I just survived Mount Apo.
Grabe, huge thanks to Night Hike Outdoors for making this climb worth remembering. I highly recommend them talaga kasi sobrang maalaga at hindi ka titipirin sa pagkain. Shout out to Janjan and the rest of the team sa napakasarap na pagkain. Hurot akong believe ninyo mga angkol. Thank you Mount Apo. This definitely won't be the last. Till I see you soon. Adios for now.